one of the most eminent names in the field of women empowerment. She stepped out of a cozy bank job to extend financial services to poor women, get out of their uncertain circumstances, and build new world for themselves and their families. She is Dr. Medha Purao Samant, fondly known as Medha Tai. Born on 13th April 1960 in Mumbai in a family of social activists, Comrade Dada Purao and Padma Shri Prema Tai Purao, Medha Tai was always inclined towards the cause of banking for poor. She completed her graduation in entire statistics from Ruia College, Mumbai, and joined a public sector bank, Bank of India, where she worked for 12 years from 1981 to 1993. The same year, she also got married to Comrade Jayant Y.B. Samant, who was her comrade in All India Students Federation and who always supported and stood by her as her support system throughout her journey. Medha Tai resigned from Bank of India in August 1993. Already in July 1993, she had given a loan of rupees 1,000 each to 9 vegetable vendors in Pune. She, along with 9 vegetable vendors who were her first members, wrote the story of Annapurna Parivar. Her rich banking experience and dedication helped her to release the poor from the clutches of money lenders. Today, with her hard work and perseverance, Medha Tai has been instrumental in building Annapurna Parivar, a group of 6 sister organizations which mainly works for empowering the poor by providing comprehensive solution to poverty. Annapurna Multi-State Cooperative Credit Society offers collateral-free loan. Annapurna Parivar believes that the poor cannot be empowered only with financial services. They need many non-financial services so that they can overcome their social problems. Annapurna also offers micro-insurance services. Annapurna Parivar runs daycare centers for the children of domestic servants. Annapurna Parivar gives educational sponsorship to the children of single mothers who are borrowers of Annapurna Mahila Cooperative Credit Society. Medha Tai completed her MSW, PhD and did a short course in Sussex University, England on gender and empowerment. Medha Tai has received many important awards. Adi Shakti Puraskar at the hands of Dr. Kiran Bedi, 2005. Woman Leader in Microfinance by Indian School of Microfinance for Women, Ahmedabad, at the hands of Padma Bhushan Ela Bhatt in 2009. Award for Best Organization Unz Maza Zhoka by Zee Marathi in August 2014. Excellence in Social Entrepreneurship by Maxwell Foundation in the year 2015. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Samaj Bhushan Award at the hands of Devendra Fadnavis, the then Chief Minister of Maharashtra, in the year 2015. Dhananjay Thorat Adarsha Karyakarta Award at the hands of Honorable Shri Sharad Pawar in 2017. Ramabai Ambedkar Social Award in February 2020 in 15th Marathi Sahitya Sammelan at Yellur, Belgaum. She has also been invited as a speaker on various platforms. IIM Ranchi to give a TED Talk in February 2013. Commonwealth Nations Chogam Conference held in Bangladesh in June 2013. Kenshaw State University, Atlanta, Georgia for Pathways to Peace series in April 2018. Panelist on Sadhan Conference on Insurance, the Missing Link in Financial Inclusion in September 2019. She started alone. Today, joined by over 400 staff include 95% women, 100 community representatives, all women, and lakhs of women members. 20 board members who include several banking experts and 20 consultants and advisors. In her personal life, Medha Tai is a simple woman who loves to spend time with family and granddaughters whenever possible. She likes reading books and listening to classical music and do gardening. Medha Tai loves cats. Medha Tai has written poems. Her volume of poems, Sakhi, was published by Lok Wangmay Griha in the year 2000. The preface is written by great poet late Narayan Surve, and the publication was done by Vidya Tai Bhatt. She has a large number of friends from diverse backgrounds. A down-to-earth woman who has devoted her whole life for the uplift of the poor and downtrodden slum women. We salute Medha Tai for her immense hard work and determination for women empowerment.
हे मंदिर मानवतेचे